I'm Alice Stoltz, Domain's property editor. Today, we're at 97 Yarborough Avenue in Balwyn. I'm going to take you inside what may well be one of Melbourne's most beautifully preserved modernist homes. Welcome to Prestige Estate. Come and join me. This home was designed by the Melbourne architect J. Dale Fisher. He was renowned for mid-century design. This house has all the hallmarks of that. Beautiful slate, lots of glass, brickwork, and copious amounts of light. This staircase is so wonderful. It feels just like a different lifetime. The kitchen has been left entirely intact as it was from the 70s. Beautiful panelling, the open floating shelving. It's absolutely fabulous. It's really retro, but it's also really elegant and just feels so warm and refined. This sitting room, while not humongous, is actually just perfect. It's got beautiful oversized doorways, and these floor-to-ceiling windows, which are the original frames, are just gorgeous and overlook this beautiful garden. And the bookshelf, which doubles as a library, actually separates the space between the dining room and the sitting room. Having a formal dining room these days is a true luxury, and this one is just beautiful. But what really makes it is the original cabinetry from the 70s that the owners have retained and restored, and clearly still enjoy today. The bathrooms have also retained all of their original marble, so you're getting years and years of use and love on them. It's what gives the house character and depth. A deep balcony here really extends the space of what is actually quite standard sized bedrooms, not overly sized. But really here, just overlooking this garden is so beautiful. It's tranquil, and it feels like an absolute oasis. It's hard to believe you're in suburban Melbourne. I think what's amazing about this home is just how disciplined the owners have been in the preservation of it. They could have been tempted to restart, to rebuild, to reconfigure, but instead they've thoughtfully incorporated modern day flourishes into it to make it function for a family today. That really is true luxury. This is a Prestige Estate.